Hey guys, meet my grandma. That's Queen Victoria. Picture. And this is the great grandson of Queen Victoria. Okay guys, let's walk. Let's start walking. That's the Hyatt Regency. Oh my God. Yung natutulog na kama. Diba? Ano naman to? 181. The free drinking fountain. Iinom dyan. Tingnan nga natin. Let me show you how. There's no more water. There's no free drinking nowadays.
Ano ba yan?
It's written there, free drinking water. So I tried to press it, but there's no water coming out. So here we are, back to the underground. We're heading back to Hammersmith. We're taking the district line, and that's the end of our day for now. We'll see you later, guys. That's the Hyatt Regency in London. That's
Victoria Embankment.
Victoria Embankment. That's over there. This is one of the busiest streets in London. And that's the Blackfriars. I don't know if that's the, what you call it, Sky Garden. Perhaps not, but we'll see now. Okay guys, I'll see you in a bit. We're going to take the underground now. See you later. Bye.